Hello, my name is Maria, and I'm going to introduce a plant-based learning unit for fourth grade science called Designing a Sustainable School Garden. This PBL unit engages students by challenging them to create and design a sustainable garden for their school. Students will apply their knowledge of plant life, ecosystems, and environmental science to solve real-world problems that directly impact their school community. This unit would be highly engaging for several reasons. The first reason would be it would give students agency and ownership over their learning. They will be making key decisions like garden design, plant selection, and sustainability practices. They will get to choose all of that within the unit. Secondly, it connects their classroom learning to the real world. Students will see how scientific concepts are used to create their garden. Thirdly, it's a hands on, multi sensory experience. Students will get to get their hands dirty, planting their seeds. They get to watch their plants grow and get to measure them to see how much they've grown, and they get to tend to their plants. This PBL unit increases cognitive by having students actively apply their knowledge rather than passively receiving information. They're not just sitting at a desk taking all the information in. They'll need to synthesize what they've learned about plant biology, climate, soil composition, and more to develop a vital garden plan. The unit challenges students across multiple levels of the Bloom's taxonomy. At the remembering and understanding level, students will recall and explain key facts about plant needs like water, soil, sunlight, the life cycles, and ecosystems. At the applied level, they will use this knowledge to select appropriate plants and design garden layouts. They will see what grows best in their environment and apply that to their garden. For analysis, students will examine soil samples, compare plant growth rates, and evaluate different sustainability practices. This unit incorporates evaluation by having students assess their garden designs and justify their choices. So they're going to explain why they think this design is better than the other one. Finally, at the level, students will develop original garden plans and potentially implement them on their school grounds. So hopefully, they would have the opportunity to actually make these gardens at their school. When the unit is complete, students will have gained valuable learning in several areas. The first one being they would have a deeper understanding of plant biology and ecosystems through hands on experiences. They will have knowledge of how plants grow and all that sort of thing to apply later on in life. They would have developed the critical thinking and problem skills by tackling a complex open-ended challenge. Students will also have built their collaboration skills with teams by designing and potentially implementing these gardens. They will have gained practical knowledge about sustainable garden practices that, again, they could apply later on in the future at their own home or if they want to do a community garden in their neighborhood. And then finally, students will develop a sense of environmental stewardship and connection to the school community through testing a by creating a lasting beneficial project. This PBL unit is an engaging, challenging, and meaningful learning experience that brings science to life for the fourth grade students. I hope one day I could implement this in my own classroom. Um, Thank you so much.